Today I want to show all of you how easy it is to build out a fully managed and deployed backend system using ob1 into outer base. So today I'm going to show you how to create a waitlist application. So in ob1 I'm going to say create a waitlist for my users. And what this is going to do is it's going to start prompting, asking for what endpoints need to exist, what database schema needs to be created, and then ultimately what API endpoints need to be made available for this application to work. While this is working, we're going to go over to outer base and we're going to create a new SQLite database for us. And we're going to call it waitlist. And now our SQLite database has been created. We have no tables in here and no commands in the workspace. But we'll go back over here to ob1. And ob1 has created 2 tables for us and 4 commands. So if we look at our tables, we have a user table and a waitlist table, and then 4 commands: adding a user to a waitlist, removing them, getting the waitlist, and checking the position. So we can look at the code here, and this is the code that would be deployed into outer base. And that'd be your backend endpoint that you'd hit it with a post to waitlist add. And so we can iterate on this a little bit too. So maybe here for our user, we want to track their name. Add a column for user's first name. And it's created the tables and commands again for this iteration. We look at our user table and now we can see that a column for first name does exist. So that modification worked. And lastly, we can deploy our code. So we'll click on the deploy, click our workspace, our personal workspace, and we've created that SQLite database we named waitlist. We click on that, and we can deploy our code to outer base. And then when we come over to outer base, we can see that the commands have been created in our base, and they're ready for us to implement into our front end.